guys. Deeply sponsor. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share, comment, everything. Hit bell icon, right? Today we're going to be building Home Depot Jack Frost, right?
That's right.
For Christmas, we're going to have Jack Frost like in the bushes and the Santa inside like on the porch.
Oh, he looks good. Look, so he's a 6 foot tall.
And his instructions are on the box.
He does. He's got instructions printed on the box flaps, as well as there is an instruction book here too. I see it, but it's pretty neat that they're on the box.
Here's his base.
Oh, okay, perfect. They're right here.
But they're not frozen.
These are awesome.
Oh, I thought that was like.
They're really hard. Nice hard quality too. I like them. Very nice. All right, here's his hands. Here's his. I guess this is probably his arms.
Yeah, I'm gonna be him, and I'm gonna be a zombie.
Okay.
Doesn't he look like zombie hands?
Yes. Does look like zombie hands. You're right. And we got his legs here. So we got his legs. Well, the leg styrofoam, and then the arms.
I believe that's what he does. I believe this is what he does.
Here's his snowy boots.
I believe this is what he does.
Yes. He's gonna be
Oh
great.
my god, these might fit me. Scarf.
That's pretty neat.
Hair. I thought this was his head inside here because I saw the hair.
And we
Oh
got
my god, he's looking terrifying.
his pants and his shirt. Oh, you look just like him. Mechanism there with the shoulder. The shoulder thing is actually attached to it. That's nice. So you don't have to put it on separate. Here's his 2 leg bars here. You might as well just go ahead and put them right in there.
Yeah. B
AC adapter.
and B. B and B.
And these probably go on after those. These are his knees.
That's the first one in here.
Good job.
Get the second one in here.
All right. Good job.
Where's the shoes? Here they are. You gotta make sure they're on the little tabs here on the front, because if they're not, they're gonna be like, when he's
Yeah,
moving.
they'll be bouncing around, right?
Yeah, they'll be bouncing around. But when he's moving around here, they'll be probably just like,
Keeps them kind of in place.
yeah.
Good job.
And probably next is those, but let me just check. Yep,
So we got the knees next, right?
and get those ready.
The leg things. Yeah.
Yep, the gray holes. Saw holes right here in the front. I was like, oh no, did we break the shoes? No. They're supposed to
Oh,
go
that's
there.
that's neat. That's like for them to sit in.
I was like, did
the
we
bars.
break it? No, we broke it now. Scared.
Like a little holder for the pole.
Yeah. He has easier like holes to put on because they're like those things that you snap in are like skinnier for some reason than like just regulars.
Huh.
Like,
That's good. Looks a little bit easier than normal.
yeah.
Sometimes they're a little bit hard to get in.
Stop attacking me. I'm done with your attacking me. Stop attacking me, please. I'm done with his attacking.
So like I'm gonna make it as hard as possible for you to put me on.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, should just slide down. It's gonna be a little tight, but that's okay. This one, you go do this one here. Yeah, perfect. You're good.
I'm gonna put it inside the shoe if I can. Like, pull it down all the way to the boot.
Alright. And then the mechanism's next.
Yeah.
Alright, get the mechanism here. We will put that.
Well, I'll fix the shoes down here.
Which way does the mechanism go? I guess it's gonna go this way.
I'll see on the instructions in a few minutes.
Pull the pants up over this,
Yep,
right?
that's the next step.
Alright. Nice.
And then the shirt. And then the shirt.
Alright, now we got
And
the
then
shirt.
the arms after.
Shirt's got a Velcro thing in the back here, so it's easier. Just pop that open there,
Yep.
and you should just be able to slide it right over, right? Alright, so, and then connect that wire to a corresponding wire that fits it. There should only be one wire that fits it perfectly because they're each a little bit different. Alright, so I got the sensor hooked up there. And the other one I think is going to end up going into his head.
I lost my arm, Daddy, and someone traded me.
Oh no.
Someone traded me a different kind of arm.
Oh no, you have an animatronic arm.
Yep.
Alright.
But I grew an arm back.
Oh, thank goodness. It's back to normal. Alright.
Next is the hands, which I can put the hands on.
Alrighty.
I'll put the hands on. Okay, this one goes on this side. Thumbs face in the middle. Okay, got his two hands on.
Good job.
Starting to look terrifying.
What we got next? Not too much left. Must be the head.
Yep, putting the head on, and then connecting all the wires, zipping them back up behind.
Head just sits in there like so. And then he's got a black and a red wire, and then there's a black and a red wire hanging out too. So just feed that up through his shirt. Go ahead and plug it in.
Is he done?
He's probably, yeah, I think he's done. Jack Frost, Home Depot, 2023. Here, let me see.
No, I can do it. I can do it.
Are
I
you
can
sure?
reach it.
Okay.
It's just pretty dark in there.
Okay, I'm happy to help if you want me to.
And I'll probably need it.
Should be right there.
Yeah, that is. That's what I tried
Okay.
putting in.
All right. It's in.
Let's plug them in.
Santa took me out to his workshop. Guess he wasn't down to chill. So I have come to bring you a winter wonderland with extra frostbite.
Wow.
Tis the season to be absolutely covered in snow. When you freeze over, I'll be sure to carve you into a beautiful ice sculpture. How about a swan?
I love him.
He's really awesome, isn't he?
Yes.
Are you lost? This is no place for a warm human like yourself. Soon, you'll end up a frosty popsicle like me. Only not snow attractive. Get it?
All right, guys.
If you like that video, hit that subscribe button, share, everything. I'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye from Jack Frost.
Santa took me out to his workshop.